go, there you go. Perfect brioche. So, Reuben, why is it that we need a baker?
Because it's late at night on Thursday night and I'm doing the baking right now. So I need some help. It's too much for me to do.
All right. We've trained a whole bunch of bakers over the last 10 or more years. We've trained our daughter Annika to bake. We trained Steve, who's now the cheesemaker, to bake our bread for us in the brick oven. And we trained Vince. How many years did Vince? 2 years?
3 years.
3 years Vince baked for us. But now Vince and Annika are getting married, so they're moving on to other things. So we've got an opening for a bread baker. We'd like whoever comes to bake for Willow Haven Farm to be excited about farm food, about organic ingredients, about sourdough and slow fermentation of bread. We'd like that person to be have bread making experience. As you can see, this is a small batch of bread for us. Normally in the brick oven we're doing how many loaves, Reuben?
Between 100 and 120 at a bake.
Okay, and for a day, if you start on Friday morning, how long of a day is that?
That has yet to be determined. I can't answer that question off the top of my head.
Okay. It depends on the method. It depends on the timing of all the ingredients, of everything that's happening and what's going on. So we're looking for a bread baker, someone to be on our team at Willow Haven Farm. So if you know anyone who's passionate about those things, send them our way. Have a great night.